just like to show you how easy it is to fit a set of big knobs crash sliders to the back of a KTM Motard. Here we have a KTM Motard, here we have some big knobs crash sliders. 2 sliders, 1 mounting bar. First, check that your mounting bar is approximately the right length. Slide it through the axle. Should be about the same width as your axle. Give or take 10 mil. Easy. Then, thread the mounting bar into one of the sliders. Just spin it in with your hand until you feel it sort of bed in reasonably tight. Yeah, that's about right. Slide the whole unit through the axle. Put the other slider on the other end. This ain't brain surgery. Spin it on with your hands until it bites. When it gets tight, use the Allen keys. Allen key both ends, one on one end, one on the other, and tighten it down till it's good and firm. That's it. Now you have axle sliders on the back of your Motard. You're ready to race.